I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Tesla Model S key fob battery. First, locate the seam on the underside of your key fob. Gently insert a small, flat tool, like a plastic pry tool or a small screwdriver, into this seam. Carefully twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob. Be sure to work slowly to avoid damaging the casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, circular battery. It's typically a CR2032 coin cell battery. Take a moment to observe which side, positive or negative, is facing up. Using a small, non-metallic tool, like a plastic spudger or a toothpick, gently lift the old battery out of its compartment. Avoid using metal tools to prevent short circuits. Now, take your new CR2032 battery. Make sure it's fresh for optimal performance. Carefully slide the new battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing the same direction as the old one was. Press down gently to ensure the battery is securely seated and makes proper contact within its slot. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your Tesla key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely reattached. Once reassembled, immediately test all the key fob's functions, such as locking, unlocking, and opening the trunk, to confirm the battery change was successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.